Hello and welcome to this short video about subtle mods you can do to your XK8 or your car while you're in lockdown. This is video number 12 in my series of miscellaneous videos about Jaguar XKRs. Okay, number 1, subtle mod. You can put in a USB socket in your cigarette lighter so you can actually charge up your mobile phone when you're cruising. Budget about £5, cheap enough to do, and you can even get one that fits directly into the cigarette lighter socket. Number 2. Why don't you get rid of that old gear knob? It's probably cracked and the lacquer's probably broken up. Get yourself a nice shiny new one. Spoil yourself. Why not? Number 3. Okay, well you got a nice shiny gear knob, why do you bling up everything else? Go shiny with pedals, dials and gears around. Number 4. Okay, you need a dash camera. These days, you don't know who's going to crash into the front or the back of you. Get a dual one, front and back camera. Get up to date and get protected for those insurance claims. Number 5. Okay, get some up-to-date interior lights. You can't see anything in an XK8 in the dark and you cannot read a book, believe you me. If you get LED lights, it turns it into complete daylight. You can see what you're doing. And one thing I would recommend is actually doing the boot lights. Okay, you can talk about the dimming function in the interior not working quite right, and it does lose that subtle edge, but in the boot, you need to see what you're doing. My advice, get some LED boot lights. They are amazing. Number 6. Upgrade that poxy stereo because it's rubbish, especially this day and age. You can't get DAB radio. They were going to change it completely to DAB. Thank goodness they didn't. Get yourself some decent tunes in the front. Bit expensive though if you want it to look OEM. Number 7. Get some fluffy dice. Maybe not. Okay, let's go to the interior quickly. Number 8. Move that number plate down out of the way of the grille. It looks horrendous. You can get it done fairly cheaply or it can go really expensive. But basically get it down out of the way, looks the business. Number 9. Get yourself some mud flaps. You spend all day cleaning and polishing the thing. Do not let it get muddy. There's even some fancy, very thin ones that go down the back arches, but they're really expensive and quite hard to come by, I believe now. Number 10. Get those clear indicators and reflectors so you get a bit more up to date. Get rid of that old yellowy tinge, but it's one for the connoisseur or maybe not. Number 11. Get rid of those old XK8 pipes. If you've got an XK8, apologies have to be made for those exhaust tips. They are the pants. Look at
XKR,
you can see the comparison just on this simple picture. Chalk and cheese, the car looks the proper beast that it actually is. And it's quite an easy mod to do. Just grind the weld off, pull it off. The XKR ones bolt straight on. Easily done. Get on with it. Number 12. Get yourself a nice stainless steel grill as fitted to the XKR, or even go the full hog and get the full stainless steel grill without those 2 bump bars in the front. Really makes the car look the business. Number 13. Get yourself a rear boot slip spoiler like the XKR. If you already get an XKR, apologies, but all XKRs don't have one of these and they really do look a little bit better with it in my opinion. But there you go. Get yourself a rear boot slip spoiler. Number 14. Get yourself some decent alloys. Ideally BBS is the alloy to have for the XK8. 20 inch if you can afford it. Superb, they are. Superb. Look the business. And OEM spec, so still keep it original. Number 15. Go shiny on the outside. So you can get wing mirror covers, door handle covers, lights around. If you really end up going too much, they can be a bit overpowering, in my opinion. But a couple of little bits do enhance the car, down to the view of the person who's doing it. But go shiny on the outside. Number 15. Get yourself some go faster graphics. Obviously, I'm running out of ideas here, and these are, in my opinion, a bit pants. But okay, each their own. Individualizes your car, and wouldn't criticize them, but not for me. Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. That's my list of things to do to subtly upgrade your XK8 and the ones that most people do. My next video 13, I think I'm going to do the release video. So Boris is going to let us out any moment now, and I'll give you a list of things you want to do to your XK8 to make sure it's going to run properly on release. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, giving you a list of things you could possibly do without breaking the bank to upgrade your car and not keep it too far apart from OEM. But if you disagree with that, please post a comment. If you'd like to like the video, if you like it, please like it. But ideally subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.